Good afternoon, XRP Future Millionaire here, and we're going to cover XRP, and we'll get a little bit into Bitcoin because 50,000 is becoming real heavy resistance here. I'm going to show you some things that some of these altcoins are starting to create this small head and shoulders in the 30-minute time frame. But first, let me like this relaxation, and then I want to read over this Ripple XRP technical analysis. We're going to go over the 5 core. Here, we'll talk about this on the side. Make sure to hit that like button while I'm doing this. Hit that like button. Okay, so what we're seeing with XRP, Ripple XRP technical analysis, trade setup, trends are mixed to bearish. Price needs to break above 200-day moving average 96 cents and $1 resistance to reverse a downtrend. Momentum is bearish, but inflecting. MACD line is below MACD signal line, and RSI is below 45. But momentum may have bottomed since MACD histogram bars are rising, as we've said before. Suggests that momentum could be nearing another upswing. OBV on balance volume is declining, indicating that volume on up days is lower than volume on down days. Hence, demand buyers is below supply sellers. So there's more sellers than buyers. Support and resistance near support zone is 75 cents then 60 cents. The nearest resistance zone is 90 cents. Previous support then $1. So that's what I wanted to talk to you about right there. I'm not going to FUD it up this morning. And then, as you can see on the 30-minute time frame, we'll start with DGB. You can see how it's coming out to a head. That's what I was talking about earlier. When you get this sideways and up, you extend out. And then if it falls below, this could be the end of this pattern now. And we're on Sunday. We're coming up to the futures open at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in 6 hours and 15 minutes. That's what I'd be looking for. DGB 3646 continues to be stupendously strong support. Resistance at 3646 and overwhelming resistance up there at 3646. But then this overwhelming support area is 3306 until we break back down. So that's what I'm looking at for DGB. XLM, since I'm going up the chart. We've got this overwhelming resistance up here, and it looks like we've too have come up and trying to create a head. And if we do this or just double top here, this would be, for XLM at least, you would get something like that. So we've got this overwhelming resistance at 27.7 on the 30-minute time frame, the 200-day, 25.7 support. XRP, we're going to do this quick, fast, and straight to the point. We've got a possibility to move to 88 cents, but we've got this overwhelming resistance at 83.707 now as it slightly comes down even more. And we're being squeezed. So we got resistance at 83.707, upper resistance at 88.338. And then we got underneath support at 75.170. And if we decide to crash that, we got 64.5 and 57.9. Bitcoin is at 50,000. We're getting smashed by this line. So we're going to see this. If this is me, I'm expecting this to at least come up one more time because it looks like we created that head we were talking about to extend. So I'd expect it to start doing this, shave back down. You know, that's what I would expect if I'm looking at Bitcoin. So we've got 49,993. We're trying to make support. We got 50,675 resistance. And underneath support, as I said yesterday, it leveled up for a move up for Bitcoin just a tiny bit because the 30-minute time frame, we bounced off of it, as you can see. Only in Bitcoin, though. That's why I think some of the altcoins could possibly come up a little bit higher on the head. But they're lining up perfect to get to the 30-minute time frame, as the word Bitcoin lined up perfect to make a pump just up to here. Make sure to hit that like button, turn that bell notification on, and subscribe to the channel if you're new or returning.